Hello everyone! Another month, another nature staycation na naman. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Nuc Taal Lake, Laurel, Batangas. This is a 90-minute drive on the South Highway from Manila. As soon as you enter the grounds, you will be welcomed by the iconic Taal Lake volcano. Alam nyo ba na itong Nuc Hotel ay dating family vacation home for over 30 years bago ito gawing boutique hotel. Nuc offers the privacy of a luxurious vacation home combined with the perks of a high-end hotel. Ang Nuc Taal Lake ay meron palang total of 8 rooms. We are staying in Villa Grand Suite or Room 5. This room is 76 square meters and good for 2 packs with 7 feet super king size bed. This room has a private balcony, lunch space with large toilet and bath with bathtub. Meron sila dito mini refrigerator, coffee and tea with sugar and cream, coffee mugs, and electric kettle. Meron din sila ditong free water and you can ask refill anytime. At meron din sila ditong telephone if you need assistance. This room is air conditioned also. Tara, check naman natin itong large toilet and bath. Meron din ditong aircon. And from the left side, andito ang powder room. Grabe, ang luwang ng toilet and bath na to. And of course, meron sila free dental kit, soap, cotton buds, shower gel, shampoo, and face towel. Ito naman ang kanilang toilet area. And from the left side, andito naman ang kanilang bath area. Meron na ding free bath towel. At syempre, may hot and cold shower na rin ito. And of course, ang highlight ng lahat, ang bathtub. Ito naman ang 7 feet super king size bed. And on the left side, nandito naman ang kanilang lounge area. And free wifi na din pala dito. Meron din pala sila ditong smart TV where you can watch Netflix and YouTube. At sa tabi ng bed, andito naman ang dining table. Tara, silipin naman natin ang balcony. Wow! Dito sa balcony, makikita mo na ang infinity pool. At syempre, ang iconic Taal Volcano. Masarap tumambay dito while drinking your coffee. Lunchtime na, kaya order muna kami ni Jean ng food. At ito ang kanilang Iluli Restaurant. Nag-order nga pala kami ng steak and eggs benedict, salmon gravlax, at prawns cajun, tilapia gojun. After namin mag-lunch, naglibot muna ako dito sa main villa. This villa is a European Filipino style with Nordic interior design. Tara, maglibot muna tayo dito. At ito naman ang kanilang alfresco. Perfecto pagkasama mo ang family mo. Pwede kayo dito mag-breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa infinity pool. Eto, maliligo ako habang umuulan. At kahit umuulan, ang warm pa rin ng tubig. Ang sarap maligo sa infinity pool. Samahan mo pa ng ganitong view ng Taal Volcano. It's already 7 in the evening. Order muna tayo ng food. And this is what we order for tonight's dinner. Meron tayong braised lamb shank, mashed potato, Australian ribeye, mushroom soup, penne siciliana, fries, and we also have complimentary bread and cheese. And si Jean kumuha ng Caramaribal rose wine.
Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear.
It's our second day here at Noctal Lake. Order muna tayo ng breakfast. Free pala ang breakfast nila dito. Ang start pala ng breakfast nila dito is 8 a.m. This is our breakfast for today. Daing na bangus, beef tapa, fresh fruits. We also have complimentary bread and pastry. And nag-order din kami dito ng cappuccino. Andito naman pala ako ngayon sa garden. At dito sa left side ng garden, andito naman yung parking. Alam ko kasya dito ang mga 4 to 5 cars. Naglalakad naman ako ngayon para tignan ang view deck. Whoa. This is really a nice place.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
At meron din palang garden dito sa baba. At dito sa garden, pwedeng-pwede mga events like wedding, team building, or birthday.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
Sa day 2 namin ay lumipat pala kami sa Villa Love Suite or Room 4. This room is 60 square meters. Ang main room ay may super king size bed. Sa semi-private loft room, meron namang queen size bed. This room is good for 4 to 5 packs. This room has also large toilet and bath with bathtub. And this is the toilet area. And here is the wardrobe.
Let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Siyempre, meron din itong bathtub. At ito naman ang powder room. And of course, free na rin dito ang bath towel and face towel. At ito naman ang bath area with hot and cold shower. Meron din sila ditong smart TV. And this room is air conditioned also. Dito naman ang kanilang dining table. And of course, meron din sila ditong mini refrigerator, may coffee and tea, at may electric kettle din. And may free water din dito. Pwede nyo itong i-refill anytime. Meron din silang air purifier. Pakyat naman tayo ngayon dito sa private loft room. This private loft room has a queen size bed and good for 2 packs. And it's air conditioned also. It's 2 PM in the afternoon and late. Kaya ito, nag-order muna kami ni Jean ng lunch namin. And for the lunch, itong in-order namin, meron kaming chicken gujun burger. At syempre, fresh from the tree na buko juice, sundae, iluli burger, egg bouquet, and green mango shake. And after natin mag-lunch, ito, nagpamassage muna tayo. And of course, kung kasama mo naman ang kids mo, pwede dito ang mga outdoor activities like fishing,
Our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
and pwede rin kayo maglaro dito ng badminton.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Time check, it's 9 AM and the check-in here is 3 PM and the check-out is 11 AM. Nakakalungkot kasi it's our third and last day here at Noctaal Lake. Let's now have a quick review. What we love about this place is the location. If you're coming from Manila, it's a 2-hour drive away and the food is superb. Of course, the service is excellent. very welcoming, and the amazing iconic view of Taal Volcano. What we love the most here is sobrang lapit na ng Tagaytay dito. Nasa above lang namin siya, and it's a 40-minute drive away from here. And lastly, the overall experience here is great. Regarding the room price, this is the price of room 5 or the Villa Grand Suite, and this is the price of room 4 or the Villa Love Suite. By the way, room 7 is for PWD or seniors. The queen size bed is PWD mechanized, and the remote is available at a surcharge of 1,500 plus per night. How to book? You can message them on their social media, or I will just put the link below in the description. So if you are new to our vlog, maraming salamat po. Please join us on our journey as we showcase stunning locations and share unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to subscribe.
Finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.